Hey guys, just doing another BarkBox review. This is the November BarkBox. Given thanks, BarkBox. Kind of looks like they stole the Burger King logo there. But let's see what's inside. Got a bunch of good stuff in here. Okay, they're sticking with the Burger King theme. Got some squeak potato fries. I'm sure my dog will enjoy these. Pretty high quality toy. I'm trying to see if I guess he can slowly tear these fries out of there as he likes to tear apart his toys. We got the Yappy Meal. Another interesting kind of Happy Meal like toy. Another squeaker. We got some kind of chicken sandwich looking deal here. The Gobbler. Getting another squeak toy that I'm sure my dog will enjoy. Then we got some cheesy peasy soft bake cheese recipe with chickpeas treats here, which I'm sure my dog will love. Then we got the Gobble Jerky Nibbles turkey recipe with sweet potato. And I think my dog has been asking for this, so he'll enjoy it. And then they always throw one of these in there, one of these Pet Gourmet kind of like churro-like things, cake things. This one's pumpkin and honey recipe. Here's some more of the packaging. But let's get this upstairs. See how my dog enjoys all this stuff.